What if the Great Pyramids are actually energy reactors? What if the Great Pyramids of Egypt were not tombs at all? What if these monumental structures, long thought to honor pharaohs, were actually advanced energy reactors, harnessing cosmic power in ways we cannot yet comprehend? Imagine a civilization thousands of years ago, not struggling with primitive tools, but manipulating forces that could light cities, propel vehicles, or even influence nature itself. Could the pyramids have been the power plants of an ancient high-tech society, a secret technology lost to time? The Great Pyramid of Giza, built over 4,500 years ago, has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and travelers for centuries. Its precise measurements, alignment with the cardinal points, and near-perfect symmetry defy explanation using the tools and techniques traditionally attributed to ancient Egyptians. Scholars have long debated how massive stones, weighing several tons each, were transported and positioned with such accuracy. But what if the answer wasn't simply architectural genius, but knowledge of energy and physics far ahead of its time? Ancient texts, like the pyramid texts, hint at powers beyond human comprehension: rays of light, vibrations, and energy channels. Could these cryptic descriptions be misunderstood documentation of technological functions rather than spiritual metaphors? Consider the materials used in the pyramids. Some theories suggest that the limestone, granite, and other stones may act as conductors, amplifying natural vibrations or channeling electromagnetic energy from the Earth's crust or even the cosmos. The Great Pyramid's internal chambers, shafts, and voids could serve as conduits, focusing and directing this energy for specific purposes. Could the king's chamber, with its perfectly cubic dimensions, be an energy node, while the surrounding corridors stabilize or regulate the flow? This possibility opens a window into imagining ancient Egypt not as a civilization of farmers and builders alone, but as a society capable of harnessing nature in ways that still elude modern science. Now picture this alternate reality. The Nile Valley is not just a fertile cradle of agriculture, but a landscape powered by energy transmitted from pyramids. At dawn, the air hums with a subtle vibration as pyramids channel currents through crystalline structures, energizing water systems, fueling lighting devices, and perhaps even activating flying machines or tools lost to history. Priests and engineers, trained in the secrets of geometry and vibration, oversee the flow of power, maintaining balance so that cities thrive without smoke, fire, or conventional fuel. Temples glow faintly at night, powered by invisible currents, while workers manipulate stones and metals with devices that respond to energy waves rather than brute force. Society in this world functions differently. The pharaoh is not merely a ruler, but a custodian of energy, responsible for the flow of power across the land. Citizens understand that their survival and prosperity are linked to harmony with these systems. Agriculture, industry, and communication all operate through energy harnessed by pyramids. Knowledge of resonance, frequency, and geometry permeates culture, art, and science. The ancient Egyptians might have traveled further, mapped the stars more accurately, and developed technologies that today seem impossible. Their religious beliefs could be intertwined with physics, interpreting the cosmos not as gods alone, but as forces to study, respect, and utilize. The potential benefits of such a scenario are staggering. Humanity could have achieved clean energy thousands of years earlier, potentially eliminating scarcity, pollution, and resource-driven conflict. Knowledge of energy and resonance might have accelerated medicine, transportation, and communication. Societies could have operated sustainably, in harmony with the planet rather than exploiting it. Philosophically, knowing that ancient civilizations mastered energies beyond our current understanding could inspire a profound respect for nature and motivate modern science to explore alternative approaches. The Great Pyramid as an energy reactor presents a vision of human potential that exceeds even our wildest imaginations. Yet, these possibilities come with inherent risks. Imagine the consequences of mismanaging such power. An imbalance could destabilize communities, destroy crops, or trigger natural disasters. Societal hierarchy might intensify, concentrating knowledge and control in the hands of a few, while the majority remain dependent on energy flow. Conflicts could erupt over access to power nodes, and technological misuse could lead to catastrophic accidents. The moral responsibility of harnessing energy of this magnitude is immense, and history may have already shown the consequences of losing control over forces we cannot fully comprehend. In this scenario, the same pyramids that sustain civilization could also become instruments of destruction if misapplied. Modern science hints at the plausibility of unconventional energy mechanisms. Some researchers suggest that the Great Pyramid resonates at specific frequencies that can affect matter, water, or even electromagnetic fields. Tesla experimented with energy transmission and resonance over a century ago, and yet the concepts may have roots far older than anyone imagined. Good ancient engineers have discovered similar principles, encoded in stone and geometry, leaving a legacy that we interpret as mystical because we lack the knowledge to understand it. This blurring of history, science, and mythology challenges our assumptions about human progress and opens the mind to possibilities previously dismissed as fantasy. Imagine walking through the Great Pyramid today in this alternate reality. Light filters through hidden shafts, interacting with stone to create energy flows that hum beneath your feet. A subtle vibration courses through the walls, a reminder that the structure is alive with power. Engineers in ancient robes adjust crystalline nodes, ensuring energy pulses evenly to neighboring pyramids. Outside, the city thrives with glowing lamps, flowing water, and advanced tools that require no fuel. Children play with devices powered by currents unseen, and farmers harvest crops with machines that respond to energy waves rather than human labor. Civilization flourishes in a harmony that seems almost supernatural, yet is entirely technological. Now consider the philosophical implications. If ancient humans had harnessed energy in this way, how would it have shaped our understanding of life, nature, and the universe? Would religion and science be united, interpreting natural laws as sacred principles to apply wisely? Would humanity have avoided centuries of technological lag and environmental destruction? Or might power have corrupted, leading to conflicts and collapses that erased knowledge from history? The mystery of the pyramids forces us to wonder not only what was possible, but what responsibilities accompany great power. What do you think? Could the pyramids have truly been energy reactors? Would humanity have thrived under such advanced technology, or would we have destroyed ourselves before reaching our potential? Could ancient Egypt have been the most advanced civilization in history, only to vanish and leave us puzzled by their achievements? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your ideas may be closer to reality than history books admit. Reflecting on this scenario, we are reminded of the vast unknowns that still surround human history. The pyramids, often reduced to tombs, might represent knowledge and innovation that transcends time. They challenge us to think beyond conventional explanations and consider the extraordinary potential of human ingenuity. Whether or not these ideas are true, they inspire curiosity, creativity, and a drive to explore the universe with open minds. The possibility that energy reactors existed in ancient Egypt connects past, present, and future, encouraging us to search for the secrets that may still lie hidden beneath the sands. The Great Pyramid as an energy reactor is more than a theory. It is a vision of what humanity could achieve when imagination meets technology. It reminds us that the stories of the past may hold keys to unlocking the future. Perhaps we are only beginning to grasp the principles that guided ancient civilizations, and with that knowledge, we can move toward a world powered by understanding, not fear. Ancient Egypt may have been a civilization of light, energy, and innovation, lessons we are only now ready to learn. If you enjoyed this exploration, subscribe for more mind-bending what-if scenarios, and comment what lost civilizations, hidden technologies, or cosmic mysteries you want us to uncover next. Like, share, and journey with us as we imagine a world where the impossible was not only possible, but mastered by humans thousands of years ago.